We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're taking a look at this Brother MFC-J985 printer. And if you just recently bought the printer or you're getting a low ink warning but you're not sure exactly where to find the ink, we're here to help you out a little bit today. So the first thing you want to do is locate this little hatch door on the right side of the printer. There's a little kind of finger groove right on the side of the printer. You're just going to push that down, and that's where you're actually going to locate your ink. It's not going to be under the scanner or like a lot of other inkjets. It's going to be down here on the right side of the printer. In order to remove the ink, you're just going to press down on the little tab on top, and then you can just slide out your ink cartridge. And then once you have your new one, you're just going to slide it back in and press it back into place until it clicks into place. And you'll repeat that process for any ink that you need to replace. And then once you're done, you're just going to close that door and let the printer initialize, and just like that, you should be back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.